Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's Google Finance tutorial, I'll be showing you how to view the operating expenses of a stock or a company here on Google Finance. Understanding operating expenses is crucial for analyzing how efficiently a company manages its costs during normal business operations, and it can give investors important insights into profitability trends, cost management, and overall financial health. Once you open Google Finance, start by selecting a stock or company of your choice. For this demonstration, we'll use Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Click on the stock to open its detailed view. Scroll down to the Financial section, where you'll see three main options: Income Statement, Balance Sheet, and Cash Flow. Make sure the Income Statement is selected. From there, press the drop-down to access detailed financial data. Now scroll down to find Operating Expenses. This section shows the total incurred expenses throughout the normal operations of the company. You can view this on a quarterly or annual basis, depending on what insights you're looking for. Simply watch the figures as they are displayed on the screen for the respective periods. Operating expenses are a vital part of understanding how a company allocates resources and controls costs across departments, such as research and development, sales, marketing, and administrative functions. By monitoring these numbers over time, you can evaluate trends, efficiency improvements, or increases that may impact net income. And that's it. Very straightforward and easy to follow. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps you better understand how to check the operating expenses of a stock or company on Google Finance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.